Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes with Marc, a regular feature in which I show you a tip or trick in 5 minutes or less to dramatically increase your WordPress workflow efficiency. So let's say one day you wake up, you go to your site and you discover that it's been hacked. That can cause a little bit of stress. Believe me, I've been there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is on a WordPress site, you're going to want to check to see if your dashboard has been compromised. You're going to go and you're going to check out your WP admin page. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my username and password. And the first thing I discover is that my username and password doesn't work. So what do? Well, in my previous video, I showed you how to take a site from a live site and bring it down local. There's a good chance that your host may have already shut your site down if it's been hacked. And so you're going to want to work locally to do your diagnosis. So once you've brought your site archive down to your local site, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go import it into desktop server, and then you're going to check inside of your database and see what's going on as far as the login goes. In this video, what you're going to see is I'm going to show you how to change your login or fix your login issue so you can go to your next steps of troubleshooting when it comes to a hacked site. So I'll go ahead and go to my database here. And if I go to my WP users table, you'll see here that I've got a user that I have never seen before. And I really don't know where it came from. And I also see that my normal username and password is not there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to leave the username the same because there are other tables that get affected with a username. But all you really need to do is change the password. So I'm going to go ahead and change the password to 123456. And the other thing that I need to do then is I need to change the encryption to MD5. I'm going to go ahead and set that, and then I'm going to hit go. Boom. And now that I've done that, if I go here and type in the username that was here, which I found right here in WP users, okay, I'm a hack you, okay, and make sure that I got that right. And then my password is going to be the one that I just put in, 123456. I should now be able to log into my dashboard. And there we go. I am now in and I can start troubleshooting and diagnosing where my hack was. This is a very easy thing to do. It only takes a few seconds and it'll save you lots of time and brain damage. The next thing that I'm going to want to do though is I'm going to want to go back and set up my own username and get rid of the old one. So I'll go ahead and go to users and just add myself as a user like I normally would. So I'll just go Marc. And then we'll just say, and by the way, don't ever use password as your password. I hope that this isn't the first time you've heard that. And then I'm going to set myself up as an administrator, add new user. And then I'm going to log out and log in as myself, because the next thing and the last thing, oops, did I? Oh, always use your caps. All right. I must have one capital letter in my password. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to go to all my users, and then I am going to delete my illegitimate user, and I'll probably want to delete all their content. If there is content that is there, you might want to go and look and make sure that there's any content that you want to keep. But I'm going to delete all content because I'm going to assume that everything that this person did was malicious. But there's nothing on this site, so it's no big deal. You may want to make sure that you keep your backup just in case. And now that person will not be able to log in. The next steps involved with hacking will be in future videos. So that's it. That's how you change your password. It's very quick and easy, and it'll get you on the path to diagnosing and fixing your site as quickly as possible. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions or any comments or any suggestions for future videos, please feel free to put them in the comments or email us at support@serverpress.com. Thank you very much, and have a great day.